in just a few seconds. Look up and to the left, the jump plane accompanied by our first performers today too. So again, keep your eyes to the sky.
I don't know. Where'd they go?
Jeff Bourbon, John Klatt will accompany our flags
Holy shit.
all the way down to the surface.
No? Oh.
Jumpers are away, and ladies and gentlemen, I would ask that you rise, remove your caps, and in just a few moments, join the Checkered Past Quartet in the singing of our anthems. But as they continue to descend from the Red Bull Air Force, John Klatt and Mr. Bourbon now turning on the smoke to help you find them as they circle them down toward the ground. I will remind you the Civil Air Patrol and some of our people in uniform here today will be helping to keep the flag from the ground. It is permitted, by the way, by our safety regulations to let the flag touch the ground momentarily. They'll do the best job they can to pay their respects to these flags. And again, beautifully circled, the Red Bull Air Force carrying those colors now. Both flags already displayed now under these canopies. And you'll see the Red Bull Air Force back later this afternoon to do some amazing swooping, and in their wingsuits, some amazing flying before they fly under these canopies. And you know, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this now and welcome our Canadian neighbors. Our guests first. Join the Checkered Past Quartet now with O Canada.
O Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all thy sons command. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north strong and free. From far and wide, O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
And again, ladies and gentlemen, the Checkered Past Quartet and the U.S. National Anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright scars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Checkered Past Quartet, the Red Bull Air Force, and they will be back this afternoon.